This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
My lord, if your lordship takes up, my lord, if your lordships recollect, but on the last date, my lord, I had mentioned a can 26, my lordship had pleased to hear me. 26, my lord, is for addition of party. Lordships, my lord, failed from your lordship. The lordships had on that date passed an order which might cover me. But I've gone through the order. This is the order, my lord, it covers me in toto. But I only thing I was praying that the can number is 26 for addition of party. My lord, if your lordship grant me leave now to, my lord, in accordance with this to proceed. Because I had filed this application for addition of party. Now this order passed by your lordship, my lord, covers my case.
Then what do you want? What
my can is pending with your lordship for addition of party, being can number 26.
We will dispose it of.
This was the order. I've gone through that.
But you have to wait, Mr.
Yes, absolutely.
We will take note about that. Please mention your can number here. What is your can and what is the name?
Well, can number is 26 of 2025. But it is below, my lord, with tagged with item number 25. Tagged with MAT 873.
Mr. Biyani, you can withdraw the application.
No, that I was going to prevent, my lord.
So we can record that you want to withdraw this application.
Yes, and proceed in terms of this order passed by your lordships. Because simplicity or withdrawal, my lord, do not.
Remember what order we passed.
Well, that is. I may then come back after your lordships are through with the.
I think that will be
better. I'll come back.
Because
I'll come back.
Dismiss as withdrawn.
I'll come back after your lordships are finished.
এটাকে একটু 26 বলে রেখে দিও তো।
I'm deeply obliged.
My lord, in respect of, my lord, item number 27, I am only handing over the written notes, my lord.
Which one?
My item number 20.
Who argued? Tell us.
No, my lord, I am not arguing. I am adopting the all esteemed seniors argument. I am item number 27, an association, my lord. Bongio Prathamik Shikkok Samiti.
Just a moment.
MAT number 1173 of and I am adopting, my lord, the all esteemed seniors argument.
নাম লিখে নাও, appearance এর নাম লিখে নাও।
মিস্টার, আমি নামটা দিয়ে দিচ্ছি, নামটা দিয়ে দিচ্ছি। নামটা হলো কার্তিক কুমার রায়।
না এই অ্যাপ্লিকেশন হ্যাঁ নাও অ্যাপিল নাম্বার তুমি এটা which মিস্টার
MAT number 1173 of 2023
1173 So your members are all primary teachers?
Yes, my lord. And this is the association since 71 are working regarding primary education. And our members also affected. And my appeal also admitted on 27th of July 2023.
July 23.
This is my submission.
My lord, may I permitted to mention one can application I have filed with addition of the party MAT numbers 873 that may be included with this.
Yes, Mr. Tiwari. You are appearing for the writ petitioners.
For some of the writ petitioners.
Some means which ones?
I have mentioned the numbers in my written notes on allotment.
Notes.
Will you be citing documents from this 873?
873 and one can application being can 9.
You are some of the you are some of the writ petitioners and applicants in
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cans.
Now, you were in those cans were also for those cans were also for addition of putty.
Check mail, check mail.
So you wanted addition at par with the writ. You are similarly situated with
With the
writ
writ petition.
Yes.
My lord. In 2016 recruitment process, my lord, let us understand the vacancy first. There were
Similarly situated with Priyanka.
Priyanka. No. Writ petition. But vacancy in 2016 recruitment process, vacancy were divided in two categories. One is earmarked and other one is non-earmarked. Within the earmarked category,
Earmark, non-earmark?
I'm describing. Within earmarked category, PH, physically handicapped, ex-servicemen, para-teachers and exempted are there. And in non-earmarked category, general, SC, ST, OBC, OBCB are there. General means unreserved. General reservation is not there. General seats means unreserved. Unreserved, ST reserved, ST reserved, OBC A reserved, OBCB reserved. That is non-earmarked.
Where do we get that?
From the advertisement itself. For
Sure. That is 29th of you are referring to 26 September 2016.
Yes, Manoj. But what I'm saying is, Manoj, for PH,
please give us a copy.
But I'm giving, Manoj. I'm giving. But let me say, for PH, for ex-servicemen, for para-teacher, and for exempted, seats were reserved. They had a specific reserved seat for them. For example, for 10 seats were reserved for para-teachers. For 5 seats were reserved for ex-servicemen. For exempted, few seats were reserved. That is called earmarked vacancies.
Very good.
And rest portion were non-earmarked. That was open to unreserved, ST reserved, ST reserved, OBC A reserved, and OBCB reserved.
Yes.
In the writ petition, my lord, kindly, it was argued, but I would like to open my argument with the one saying, our ancient wisdom has warned us about the danger of the injustice in selection. Adharma pujyate tada vinasha. That means when the undeserving are rewarded, destruction and society of justice is inevitable. Here, my lord, merit was denied, corruption was given priority. Why I'm saying so? But kindly comes to page number 39 of paper book number 1. It was specifically argued that in the writ petition, there was nothing about corruption. There was nothing about panel. But kindly, I would like to refer a few paragraphs only first from the writ petition. I'm just mentioning the paragraphs. Priyanka, starts. It kindly comes to paragraph 39. Paper book 1, page 39. I have categorically stated that there was
paragraph you are referring.
Paragraph page 39.
Yes.
Paragraph 10, second portion from 31 top. Allegedly, the result was declared, but there was no panel. From the very first day.
Sir, read the full sentence.
No. Your petition said that notification for the procedure was started for appointment 10.
After the notification.
After the notification, procedure was started for appointment from October to December 2016. The interview and verification process started from such and such date. Alleged result was declared, but there was no panel. There was no merit list. There was no category was merit list. There was no division of number and rank was given to anyone. This is my specific case in the writ petition, my lord. Next, my lord, next paragraph kindly comes to page number 32.
No, what do you mean to say? No panel, I can understand that there was no.
No panel, there was no panel firstly. As per rule 8.5, I will take your lordship to that rule even. As per Rule 5, 8.5,
So where is the provision in the advertisement that merit list has to be in
and I'm coming.
published
I'm
separately?
first. Let me.
So do we find merit list in the recruitment rules? Do we find merit list?
The panel in recruitment rules. Panel is there.
Panel is there.
Panel.
Panel is not defined. It is said in anyway. But where do you, this is what sort of I don't understand. What is the allegation here?
Though no panel was ever published.
Very
That is my
good.
first allegation.
Very good. So you can restrict it that no panel
No panel.
publication. Very good. Yes.
And Rule 8.5 says about category of the panels.
You
That
will
was
come
not
to
done.
that.
I will not. Next, my lord, kindly comes to page 32.
If you can give me us the paragraph.
But
number.
I'm just
Page
paragraph 11, 12, 13. But I'm just referring the pages. That will be easier without killing time.
32 is the cost item.
Page
Oh, internal page you're saying?
40. Page 40, my lord. Page 40.
Yes, yes.
Page 40.
Yes.
Paragraph 12.
12.
Paragraph 13.
Mr. Tiwari, tell us which one, what, you will elaborate later.
Yes, ma'am.
10, 11, 12, 13.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18. In these paragraphs, my lord, I have categorically stated that there was no panel, first. Second, I have categorically stated about scams. I have categorically stated that reservation roster, which is one of the foundation of the judgment of the Honorable Single Bench, was not followed. These are the major points in the writ petition, my lord. Scams, I have referred to the statements given by political leaders. They have stated in primary selection process, on the last occasion, one of the appellant placed a particular portion before your lordship, stating that 1 extra marks was given to some of the appellants, and by that they got the job. That is a part of the scam, my lord. 1 extra marks was awarded. I have categorically stated that all this thing happened, my lord. Now, my lord, I would like to take your lordship to the selection procedure. Firstly, my lord, definition of panel. But kindly comes to page number 111 of the rules.
Mr. Tiwari, why didn't you disclose that some of the petitioners who are reserved candidates were parties to another writ petition?
Ma, that was mentioned.
Which paragraph?
The last paragraph. I'm coming.
Paragraph 28 said that you have,
28.
those were completely different. What was the difference?
The difference is that before 28/11/2022, no breakup of score was published. Before 28/11/2022, I had no occasion, the petitioner had no occasion to raise the dispute in a concrete way, to produce documentary evidence to show that reservation roster was not followed. For the first time, in the name of publishing panel, breakup of score of empaneled candidate was published. Before that, I cannot raise any question about reservation without knowing the same.
That was published on
28/11/2022.
Yes.
But kindly comes to page number.
Para 28.
28 I have mentioned, my lord. But kindly comes to page number 111. And page number 112, that is panel, definition of panel. 2L. Panel means a list of names of the eligible and selected candidates for the appointment as teacher in the primary school, published by the board according to the rules. And I'm asking the question to myself, till date, after publication of the breakup of the score, of the specific order of this honorable court, no panel was ever published. In the name of panel, one breakup of score was published. Why I am saying so, my lord? With this, kindly comes to Rule 8, page number 115. Specifically, Rule 8.5.
Yes.
Rule 8.5 gives us an idea about how the panel should be prepared. Rule 8.5b, specifically I am placing, my lord. BI, a panel of all selected candidates in a district, namely unreserved.
Where you are reading Rule 8?
8b1. Rule 8.5b1. A panel of all selected candidates in district, namely unreserved category, comprising of the name of the candidates belonging to general category and reserved category of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe category, OBC A category, OBC B category, and PH category, serially according to the descending order as per merit, as per existing vacancy, medium wise. As per their number, a list will be prepared in the descending order as per their merit. This is the way a panel should be prepared. B, second clause, a panel selected reserved category candidate in council, namely scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, OBC A, OBC B, physically handicapped candidates in the respective category as per statutory reservation rule from amongst the remaining candidates of the such categories, serially according to the descending order on merit as per existing vacancy of the medium wise. Third category, my lord, 3. A panel of selected candidates belonging to exempted category, ex-serviceman category, physically handicapped in a council, separate panels category wise for vacancies reserved for the respective categories. 4. An alternative set of panels of selected candidates for each category in a council, serially according to the descending order of merit as per existing vacancy medium wise. This is the mode of preparation of panel, my lord. If in this way panel was prepared, and I have prepared a flow chart which is appearing at page 137. This would be the, kindly see the page 137 to understand this clause 8.5. To 137. I've just given example of one DPSC, my lord. That was a part of the record before the Honorable Single Bench. 137. If this rule was followed, this should have been the style of preparation of the panel. How, my lord? Two categories of personnel there. One trained, one non-trained. And why non-trained was excluded from this particular case? I am saying one of my point was aptitude test. If a trained candidate, in that recruitment process, trained candidates had the privilege to be appointed first. If any vacancies were there, in that case non-trained were eligible. If trained candidates, they got 0 in Viva and aptitude test, they would have been appointed. Because for them, 15 marks is there as their training course. That's why trained candidates were kept outside of this matter. Now, my lord, 137 describes the preparation of panel. Kindly see. There are two categories, trained and non-trained. We are with the non-trained now. We are speaking. I'm just saying, kindly see the non-trained portion. There is non-exempted. Non-exempted means non-earmarked. Exempted, ex-serviceman. In each category, the board has done, they have said a general. There is nothing called general. There is unreserved. The one panel should be there. There should be unreserved, SC, ST, OBC A, OBC B, PH. For even.
Now, what do you mean by this exempted and non-exempted?
Exempted in the public notification, my lord. What board has done, exempted, they have
under 85B124.
There is no term called exempted, non-exempted. What it is done by the board. What board has done, my lord? Board described exempted.
This is board document 137.
85.
137.
No, that's my document. I have prepared from 85.
So then, Mr. Tiwari, how did you know why non-exempted? You are saying
that was a notification. They have stated in the category exempted, not exempted. That was the style.
Exempted means those ex-servicemen.
Yes, my lord. Ex-servicemen, earmarked. Exempted means earmarked. Non-exempted means others. Exempted means earmarks.
What you are trying to show from?
I'm trying to show from this chart, as per Rule 8.5, if panel was prepared in its true sense, as per the rules, then this should have been the exact panel. A panel should have general, SC, ST, OBC, PH in all categories as per Rule 8.1, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there should have been one additional panel as per Rule 6. Nothing is there. Recruitment was made. Roughly 42,000 plus were recruited without any panel. When rule says about preparation of the panel, no panel was practically prepared. Even till date, there is no panel. In the name of panel, on 28/11/2022, one breakup of score was published, not panel. selection process amendment.
Yes.
Next, madam, my next point will be, this is regarding my panel. This is my argument regarding panel. My next point will be selection procedure. In any recruitment process, selection procedure is one of the main criteria. My rule, the recruitment rules was amended on 24 September 2016. And few things were changed, my lord. It's my document, dada. Firstly, my lord, comes to page 114 of the paper book. Page 114 of the paper book, Rule 7.
Yes. Yes, Rule 7.
7, my lord. 7A, the board shall constitute selection committee within the jurisdiction of the council with the following members, namely. It says, the board shall constitute a selection committee within the jurisdiction of the council. Council means DPSC. My learned friend all my learned friends, senior friends, on last occasion tried to impress that yes, it was DPSC why selection committee was formed. This rule was amended. I have just handed over, my lord, a document. Kindly comes to this particular portion was amended. Rule 7A was amended.
কপি দিন না অসুবিধা হচ্ছে কিন্তু ঠিক রুল দিচ্ছিস কিনা আমি বুঝবো কি করে কি মহা মুশকিল একটা কপি দিই অন্তত
Yes.
But here it was amended and it was stated, the board shall constitute selection committee for purpose of selection of eligible candidate and preparation of panel of such candidate for appointment of teachers in primary school within the jurisdiction of the board. Power from DPSC was snatched and it was taken to board. Selection was not made by the DPSCs, it was made by the board as per the amended rule. Question of publishing DPSC wise panel does not arise when the panel as per this rule amendment was prepared by the board.
Then according to you, the district wise panel also the obligation was upon the board.
Yes, my lord, that was amended. They had no authority, district wise panel, they had no authority to prepare in district wise panel. Though no panel was prepared, whatever the thing is, they were not under any obligation to prepare anything as per this amendment.
So even your argument is that even if such panel had been prepared by DPSC, that is without jurisdiction.
And without jurisdiction, illegal. Void ab initio. Even if there is any district wise panel, that is void ab initio. They had no authority.
No, the board may also publish district wise panel.
Yes,
that is the wrong.
But panel should be prepared by the board.
Right. All these, suppose there are 20 districts. Your argument is now the selection committee, this panel publication authority has been taken away from the DPSC by the board.
Yes.
So board can publish the
It was not published. It's my specific case. Now, my lord, kindly, what actually happened? Kindly comes to page number 128. Neither board prepare any panel or break up of score or something, whatever, nor DPSC did that. Then who did that? I'm asking the question to myself. Answer lies from page number 128.
128.
From here, a third party, namely S. Basu Roy Chaudhary and company, came into scene. Starts from page 127, kindly comes to page 128.
Yes.
Kindly see the scope of work. The scope of work was allotted. Then, my lord, kindly.
Now, what is this? What is page 1 of this?
Page 128. Page 127. A quotation. Quotation for printing OMR answering sheet, processing of the result of the candidate appearing at teachers eligibility test conducted by the board. that was given to the S. Basu Roy Chaudhary and Company. Subsequently, scope was enlarged. That was the initial scope that right now I showed, my lord. Now, my lord, kindly comes to page number 133, what they actually did. 133. Board selection process panel should have been prepared by the board. Board didn't prepare it. It was given to a third party who was not within the purview of the rule. Then 133, post-interview final panel list. Clause 5, page 133, clause 5.
No, this page 127 you are saying.
Initially, they were given work.
Please place the page
127. It was a quotation.
Yes, let us
for printing and delivery of OMR answer sheet and processing result of the candidates for TET. Initially, S. Basu Roy Chaudhary was appointed for processing this document regarding TET 2014. Subsequently, time to time, their scope of work.
So they were also there in TET 12.
TET 12, I'm not sure.
That is paragraph 1.
Yes,
we have successfully.
Yes, ma'am. TET 12. TET 12. They were there in TET 12.
So they were given the responsibility of printing and delivery of OMR sheets and processing of results of TET 20.
Yes, ma'am.
You were successful.
Till now, I have nothing, my lord. Till now, I have nothing to say. How scope of work was changed?
No. TET 2014, you have.
I am successful candidate. There is no
qualified.
Yes, madam. There is no dispute. But what I am saying, in selection process, the panel should have been prepared by the board.
We understood you. Now, please.
Now, my lord, kindly comes to page who actually prepared the so-called panel. Page 133. 5. It starts from 132.
Yes.
Proposal for online application processing for interview and collection of fees of qualified candidates and such. Now 133. 5.5. Post-interview final panel list. 5.1. Collection of candidate data and qualified list for interview test. Candidate details obtained for extracurricular activity. Training details, Viva VOC mark, aptitude experience marks for the para teachers. But they were given responsibility for preparing the panel. The work which actually selection committee should have done, that was given to a third party. As per Rule 7, selection committee should have prepared the panel. Rule 7 was amended.
Mr. Tiwari, kindly come back to the amendment which was brought.
Yes, ma'am.
The board shall constitute selection committee for such and such within the jurisdiction of the board. What is your interpretation? Jurisdiction, there will be 20 panels.
Yes, ma'am. That is my interpretation.
Board is the jurisdiction of the entire state.
Yes, ma'am. That is my interpretation. For that reason, specifically, it was amended.
No. Board, what I think I am not. If we take jurisdiction of the board is entire West Bengal.
Yes, madam.
So in West Bengal there are
20 districts.
20 districts. So is it your contention that board would be having the jurisdiction to publish for every district one panel?
Yes, ma'am. Because Rule 7, it was given to the DPSCs, council. In earlier, page 11114. Earlier, it was given to the council. Power was snatched and it was taken by the board.
Very good. Now, page 133 you showed us.
Yes, madam.
So you are meaning to say that this post-interview final panel list was also conferred upon that
Third
private.
party. Rule 7 was not followed. Rule 8 was not followed. Rule 7 amendment was not followed. And this section was strangely termed as confidential section. This third party.
Where do you find confidential?
Well, that is general term before other bench.
No, we found a letter addressed to a confidential.
Yes, Manoj. Anantana. Page 130.
Yes, confidential processor.
Confidential section alien to the recruitment rules. And 130 is also important, Manoj. Page 130 kindly sees the clause B. After receiving the online application, arrangements are to be made for printing of district-wise list for scrutiny, verification, and viva voce interview and aptitude test sheets along with the attendance sheet of the candidates and dispatch of the same to the board. Arrangement are to be made to take up scrutiny, verification of the testimonials and viva voce sheets for necessary entry against each candidate forwarded by the district and preparation of panel as per the rule. Secretary is writing a letter to the confidential section, giving them responsibility of preparation of panel. It's a complete detour to the rule.
No, these state results have been announced. Now you make arrangements for online application submission, for collection of fees, for receiving scrutiny verification of the testimonials and viva voce sheets.
Yes, Manoj. Last and
Where panel preparation was given to them. Panel for viva voce sheets for necessary entry against each candidate forwarded by districts
and preparation of panels. And preparation of the panels. Okay. Along with all this, they were also given responsibility for preparation of the panel. Their scope of work were also increased. I just showed page 133.
So who was running this institute? This person that
The owner probably died and his son was arrested by the CBI. Right now, probably he is on bail. I'm not sure.
yes.
Next, my next point will be, my first point was panel. My second point was selection procedure. My third point will be reservation roster. I have just said there is on many occasions of my senior friends argued the reservation roster was argued before a different bench and all. My specific point, before 28/11/2022, no one in the state has seen anything called panel or breakup of score. For the first time, in view of order passed by this honorable court, a breakup of score was published on 28/11/2022. Before that, no concrete thing could have been said about reservation roster or panel. From that particular list, reservation roster and other thing came into the light that it was a complete detour. But kindly comes to Rule 11, Rule 10, and appearing as page 118.
Yep.
118.
Rule 11.
Rule 11. Rule 11 says observance of statutory provision of reservation. In every case of selection and appointment under Chapter 3, the statutory provision for reservation, election of age limit, and other concession required to be provided for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and other backward class and physically handicapped candidates shall be properly observed. It is not just a directory; it is mandatory. Following reservation roster cannot be wish of any recruitment authority. It is a constitutional mandate.
This was not done.
I am showing man how it was not done, man. Kindly comes to my note, page 149. Though this report was misleading, subsequently, after publication after passing the order before the Honorable Single Bench, the board, in other matter, board has published a list containing last cutoff. From that, everything will be clear. I will be placing that. It's already before your lordship. Kindly comes to page 149 once. One RTI application was made by a person, page 149.
149.
149.
Yes.
An RTI application was made by a person to know about his marks, last cutoff, and other thing. The bottom portion, minor kindly sees. They said UR general. There is nothing called UR general. And UR means unreserved. That is open to everyone. Marks cutoff. UR general last cutoff was 17.280. UR SC 18.377. UR ST is lower. UR OBC 17.921. UR OBC B 20.185. I am asking the question to myself, my lord. One SC candidate who scored more than general candidate, what he is doing in the SC list? He should have been in the general list as per meritorious reserve candidate policy.
Yes.
Now kindly take up can 9. So it must be before your lordship. Can 9.
Order 41. Can 9 order 41 will 27 application. Can 9 order 41 will 27 application. এটা তো অ্যালাউ হয়নি আমাদের তো সার্ভ করে দিল
সব মেলে সার্ভ করা আছে দেখো
So, Mr. Tiwari, this is a letter RTI on 3rd March 23 showing that this is category was you are proceeding on presumptions.
No, my lord.
Only category was pertaining to South 24 Pargana, Bengali
No,
media.
my lord. Mine
You are saying that you note the number 17.28, what he is doing here.
Mine, I am not.
That is your question, sir.
I'm not proceeding on presumption. I am showing, my lord. Kindly comes to reservation roster was not followed. Subsequently, from the order passed by this honorable bench, it was clear. Kindly see page 36 of Can 9, my lord.
Can 9 was not allowed, my lord. But I am taking exception in regard to Can 9.
Please keep quiet. Let him continue. We have heard you.
No, my lord, Can 9 was not allowed.
We will hear you. Let him complete. Let him argue. Yes.
Page 36 of Can 9, my lord.
So this is order 41, rule 27.
My documents are off board. Not a single alien document is there, my lord.
Board means on where we will find these
But I am showing, my lord. Kindly see page 36 once.
No, these documents are in the file, in this paper book.
857, no, my lord.
Then where it is? Where it is?
But this document was published by the board on 23rd May 2023.
Which document?
The Can 9, the document which I am trying to show before your lordship. By way of a memo, board published the same in their official website.
23rd, where that is?
Ma kindly come see page 36 once, madam. Page 36.
Exception. Yes. Mr. Mojumdar, please, we will hear all your objections. Yes.
My lord, kindly sees in terms of the order passed by this honorable court, this breakup of score was published. Before that, a breakup of score was given to us, which is not true. I'm coming to one later on. As per this particular document, appearing as page 36, it starts from 37 to 26. 37 to 26. I have prepared a chart regarding numbers.
Go one by one. What you are showing, page 36.
36 is the breakup of total marks of the last.
Place it.
36. Breakup of total marks of the last empaneled candidate based on district opted, medium, caste and category in 2016 recruitment process in compliance with the order passed by Honorable Justice Abhijit Gangopaধ্যায় in such and such. In terms of the order passed by this honorable court, this breakup marks of the last empaneled candidate was published.
Yes.
Kindly comes to now page 62. I have simplified this document, this bulky document in 2-3 pages. Page 62. From this document, I have prepared a list to show number of last empaneled candidate in each district in each category. For example, my lord, Shiliguri first. I'm not concerned about trained, I'm taking a non-trained. Kindly see.
Page 62.
62.
Wait, your Jalpaiguri, your Siliguri.
Siliguri.
Yes.
For general marks was 12.779, OBC A 12.971, OBC B 16.416, SC 16.063, ST 13.091. That means in each and every in particular district, the marks of general candidates is much lower than the reserved candidate. My specific contention before this one.
Just a minute. General cutoff was 12.779. So the cutoff in ST was higher.
In case of each district. Yes, my lord. For this, OBC A was 12.971, OBC B 16.416, SC 16.063, ST 13.921.
Yes. Now then, what is your on that? What you want to say?
My contention, rules regarding meritorious reserve candidate was not at all followed. If one SC candidate scored above general category student, he should have been placed in general category, and in his or her place, one SC candidate would have get the chance. To elaborate this, my lord, kindly come to page 63 once. Page 63.
Yes.
We could get hold of breakup of score of few districts. I'm just elaborating it with Malda. Kindly comes to Malda, my lord. General mark. General last. Before that, my lord, I must tell you, your lordship. Well, just I have given a copy of the amendment rule. Kindly comes to the last page of that rule. It will be easier for me to elaborate this. In this amendment, my lord, 7C3, last page. Note 7C3, last page. Provided also that in case of non-availability of the earmarked candidates, the requisite earmarked vacancies shall be filled up by the non-earmarked candidates. Suppose in a particular category, earmarked candidates are not available. In that category, that seat will be filled up by the non-earmarked candidate. That is the rule. Now, my lord, 63. the general candidate scored 10.252. He was recommended in para teacher category by using this particular rule just now, which I showed just now. He got general candidate, got empaneled, he scored only 10.252. Whereas OBC A score is 20.706, OBC B 18.851, SC 15.930, ST 11.301.
Yes.
I was lucky to get hold of the list of Malda, that is starting from page 69. In the
These documents were in the board's website.
This is of the DPSC's document.
Pardon?
DPSC's document. This board's document.
No, this has been uploaded in the board website.
This was gathered from the DPSC.
This is prepared by you.
Which one, my lord?
These charts page.
Charts prepared by me from the page documents uploaded by the board.
Which document was it? That document.
Page number.
Page 36.
36 to 61 are the document of the board.
Uploaded.
And to substantiate my chart, to prove it authenticity, my lord, I am just placing one document. Kindly comes to page 69. In each and every district, reservation roster was not followed. 69, my lord, I could get hold of list of few DPSCs. I am just referring one.
Yes.
But kindly, right hand side top, kindly sees district Malda, medium Bengali, category unreserved, caste general, vacancy 960. Page 69. Firstly, this caste general, this particular term is troubling me. There is nothing called general reservation. It is unreserved and it is open category, open to everyone. From here, my lord, from page number 69 to page number.
What you are meaning to say, since it is not described as.
No, my lord, I am not on that. I am describing why I am saying so. Kindly comes to from page number 69 to page number 96. Name of 960 candidates are there. Kindly comes to page number 96.
Yes.
These 960 seats, unreserved seats, were filled up by the general candidates. Can you see the last number, my lord? It's 14.397. Page number 96, general, from the bottom column, SC starts, above that, Mehbooba Jasmine. Your lordship got it.
Yes.
Her mark is 14.397. She is from general category. Now my question is, just from the lower portion of that page, kindly sees the SC candidates, their marks is 20.984, 20, all are 20 up.
They have not been put
Yes,
up in the
madam.
general.
Yes, they have not been given in a general portion, general category. If they were given in a general category, then situation would have been otherwise. Some reserved category students would have get chance. Well, kindly comes to page 144 once.
So how many read petitioners are reserved category?
More than 39, my lord. And as per particular thing, I can show more than 39 candidates in the petition are crossing the cutoff marks. More than 39. Out of 140, more than 39 are crossing. And in other case, in other application before your lordship, more than few hundreds are crossing the cutoff marks. More than few hundreds. Those are before your lordship. And the person who could not come before your lordship right now, even those categories are also there. I'm showing, my lord. Kindly comes to 144 once. 144. My lord, kindly read page 63 with 144. क्या बोलिएगा डॉक्टर? দেখ খালি জেনারেল আছে হুম, হ্যাঁ, তিনটাতে বের কর
না দিলে বুঝলি
Out of, my lord,
No,
42,000.
first tell us what is this.
I'm telling you. Out of 42,949 candidates were appointed. Well, out of 42,949 candidates who appointed in 2016 recruitment process, 21,659 general category candidates were appointed. In the unreserved category, not a single seat was converted. Even if a person got more than general.
First of all, termination is of 33,000 untrained
Yes, madam.
category candidates.
Yes, madam.
Out of 42,000, how much was trained?
Out of 42,000.
Then 42,000 minus 33,000.
Madam, exact number, though exact number is not known to anyone. I will come to that. I will show.
Mr. Tiwari, for 33,000 was directed to be cancelled.
Trained was, so actually exact trained was 12,443 as per the breakup published by the board.
12?
12,443. Let us not go into the numbers. Let us go into the category. Trained, untrained.
No, out of 42,628,
12,443 were trained.
Where do we find that? You have given any note here?
I don't know. I'm giving. For my understanding, I prepared this.
No, for our understanding.
That is, total vacancy was 42,949. Total recruited 42,628. Total trained candidate 12,443.
So this 42,268 was appointed.
628.
628.
Though
About
not sure, madam.
300 posts were vacant.
Not sure. Why I am saying so? Not sure. I will come. I will show to your lordship. Excess appointments were made. Board has stated on affidavit that panel expired between 16 to 20.
No, it is your case in the petition that there are 349 odd vacancies are there. You accommodate me in that. That is what you are wanting.
Madam, kindly, let me.
No,
But I don't know how much vacancy is there as of date. Why?
So you said in your petition.
Yes, madam. But as of date, after everything, during hearing, and when every document came before this honorable court, before the single bench, we do not know whether any vacancy is there or excess appointment is there.
Why you are telling us to go into that? This is an
That is part of the record.
Public interest.
But that is part of the record. I will not go beyond record.
Which is the part of record?
That excess appointment.
What you are arguing
But
now?
this document I have just given to show that 21,659 total general recruited, and out of that general, all reserve category students who got more marks than a general, they were not converted. That is my specific point. Meritorious reserve candidates policy of MRC was not at all followed. Paper book to the second paper book.
Yes.
My lord, my next point will be aptitude test. Before, it was specific argument. It was specific argument of the appellants.
Yes, next.
Next, my lord, aptitude test. It was specific argument of the appellants that question of aptitude test was not raised in the writ petition. It is admitted fact. Question of aptitude test was not raised in writ petition because before 28/11/2022, I had no occasion to understand a simple thing that any test called aptitude test was ever taken up. Kindly comes to page 5 of my note, which I have.
You admit that you have not taken the ground of aptitude
At the time of filing writ petition.
Yes.
Subsequently, I have taken.
Subsequently
by
amendment
or by oral argument, by evidence, by documentary evidence, I have showed. Subsequently, because before that, at that time, kindly comes to page 5 of the note given by me, my lord. List of dates. In the note, just I have handed over, my lord. notes and argument dilam na?
Yes.
Page 5, my lord.
So, Mr. Tiwari, you have done away with this application? Any other
There
document?
is application list.
Yes. Now, what you are showing?
Page 5, my lord. List updates.
Yes.
Page 5, my lord. On 13 September 2022, writ petition was filed. Subsequently, on 28/11/2022, board published one list of breakup of score. And on 6/12/2022,
28/11 date you have not given?
no, not given, my lord. Not given. Not given. On 28/11, the list was published by the board. On 6, after going through the same, for the first time, we came to know the thing called aptitude test is there. Aptitude test was at all taken because when we gave interview,
Aptitude tests were there. It was there.
it was not taken. It was not taken. My case,
Allegation,
that is my
your
case.
contention is it is not
Yes,
taken.
my lord.
But
Yes.
it was not there.
It is there.
not.
It was there. It was there. On 6/12/2022, just within a week after publication of the particular thing, this matter was taken up by the Honorable Single Bench. Board questioned about our candidature. We have filed document, and after that, on 17 January 2023, when the matter was taken up, we stated specifically their marks aptitude test is there, but that aptitude test was never taken up. From there, everything starts regarding aptitude test. My lord, kindly comes to the second paper book. Second paper book, page number 238.
Second people. Yes.
I have submitted this list prepared from the breakup of score uploaded by the board. Here, my lord, I have given a list of roughly, exactly, not roughly, 5,216 candidates whose academic score is between 11 out of 20.
5,000?
5,216.
Whose score is?
Whose academic score is less than 11 out of 20.
Yes.
And aptitude test, and in Viva and aptitude test, they got more than 7, 8, 9, 10 out of 10.
Yes.
But why I stated all this thing, the aptitude test is a mode of scam. Your lordship will find, my lord. Kindly comes to page number 411 of this paper book. I will show other documents too, but this is important. Page 411. 411. This is recommendation letter of a political leader regarding 3 candidates. 411. And after searching,
Yeah.
paper book I did that.
So these 3 candidates were appointed.
Appointed, I see the marks. Marks is important, man. 412. Kindly sees their Viva marks and aptitude marks. 412.
Code 1, 2.
412. Next page. My Viva, this three category student, this person, 412.
Working president, Trinamool Congress.
My lord, should I place? Page 412, my lord. Their test score is 2.766. Madhyamik, first candidate, Madhyamik is 2.852. HS 4.640 and Viva is 5, aptitude is 4.5. They would not have been appointed if the recommendation letter was not there. The Viva and aptitude test is the only tool by where manipulation can be done, an excess number can be given, and someone can be appointed. Why, my lord? Board has done us a favor. Board has
This was
part of the record. Before the single bench, it was there. This part is part of the spiral binding. It was copy was given to the board. Board had opportunity to go through that particular same. This point was argued before the honorable single bench. My lord, that is done.
you wanted to show what the why we have not touched it as yet.
That is, my lord, no general by in the recruitment process, the board has followed a new reservation policy that is called general reservation. Even if SC, ST, OBC candidates cross general cutoff mark, they were not placed in the general category.
So what you have annexed here?
The number of the all general candidates, the only general to general reservation, unreserved category was transformed into general reservation category.
So this file contains documents of all general candidates.
Unreserved category treated as general reservation. My point is unreserved category is treated as general reservation. Unreserved is an open category, my lord. There all can compete. Who has crossed the mark, last cutoff mark of unreserved, they will be placed in the particular category. But here, board has followed a strange policy that is general reservation, which is alien to the rules, alien to our constitution.
Now, what is this one?
The blue one, red one. Red one is number of 30, roughly 32,000, that 30,000 something marks of the all untrained candidates were published by the board. And out of this 20,000, the number is important, my lord, 20,962 candidates.
Yeah, just a moment. Uh, 26,000?
20,000, my lord. Out of
this is a marks of the untrained candidates. How
First
many
one.
candidates you have annexed? Marks of how many candidates? All the candidates.
All untrained.
So that is how many? More than 30?
More than 30,000. 30,185.
30,185.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. And what you are trying to show, these are the marks obtained by those
No,
persons.
I'm coming. Out of that particular, I have made a list of 20,962 appointed teachers. Number is important, man. 20,962. Who got same marks in Viva and aptitude test. Such as if someone got 2 marks in Viva, he got 2 in aptitude test. If someone got 4.66 in Viva, he got 4.66 in aptitude test. Just a carbon copy. Aptitude test, this shows aptitude test was never taken up. Number was given whimsically. Can you see the first page, my lord? First page of the book, red book.
So they were given the same marks as the marks obtained in
In the Viva. A number is huge. Number is 20,962. Can you see the one page, just one page of this book? Kindly see the serial number 19. 19. One line. First page. Can you see the first page? You also will find Viva marks, aptitude marks, all are same. Can you see come to serial number 19? Viva is 4.66.
90.
190.
What is special about 90?
Just referring, my lord. 4.66 and aptitude is 4.66. But just carbon copy. If someone got 1 marks in Viva, he was given 1 in aptitude. 2 in Viva, 2 in aptitude. No aptitude test was ever taken up. That was just a carbon copy and marks was given as per their own wish without following any rule.
Anything else, Mr. Tiwari?
Yes, my lord. A bit more, my lord. My lord, kindly. Again, I am going to paper book 1. This number, I was saying the number, how many person were actually appointed, how many vacancies are there, I do not know. No one knows. Why I said so. Kindly comes to.
So aptitude you have finished.
My seniors are there, they will continue regarding other part, aptitude. My portion is finished. I will not, I don't want to repeat the argument, they will take about that part. Kindly comes to page 222 of the paper book.
What more can be said by them?
Aptitude test, there are many things, my lord.
No, what more can be said by them?
They will say, my lord. How can I say what more can be said by them? Well, kindly comes to other point, my lord. Kindly.
You are not disclosing what is your stand, na? You are belong to the same group.
But stand is very clear. That aptitude test was never taken up. That is specific stand.
So what new they will submit? This is what you are.
This one. But kindly comes to page 222 once of the paper book 1.
Page
222. 222. Of volume 1.
222.
I say, while making submission, I said, I don't know how many person are there, how many person were appointed, how many seats are vacant. I said so for a few documents, my lord. Page 222, the part of portion of one affidavit filed by the authority kindly comes to paragraph number 29 of page 222. It was specific contention of the board as well as other appellants that panel expired in 2017 itself.
No, this is part of what? Page 222?
Paper book. Spiral. I have supplied 2 spiral documents, binding before the single bench with a copy upon the state as well as the board. The part of the document, and this is part of the record of another matter.
It's a part of your spiral
yes.
brief. Where is that spiral volume?
They are already in the paper book, Manoj. Already in the paper book.
So you gave a blue.
Unaffirmed, that is in the paper book.
In this paper book?
Yes, my lord. Page 222.
Can you give us the number of that spiral binding number? Page, which page to which page?
1, 2, 3 of the volume 1 starts. Serial 1.
Just a moment. That spiral binding document starts with
Page 123 of
358 up to
volume 1 of the 870.
two page.
350, 358.
358.
358.
That is continuing in the
Paper book.
In paper book 3.
And second
checking the last.
and last second spiral binding is the first page, starts from the first page of the second paper book. Second spiral binding starts from the first page of the second.
No, one is 123 to 358.
Yes,
358.
Uh.
That page 237 in paper book number 2.
Yes, that is continuation.
Continuation.
To 358. Now, what is the second spiral?
It starts from the first page of the second paper book.
That is page 238.
That is the
No.
Oh, the
238.
spiral? Huh?
that is unaffirmed copy.
That is?
Unaffirmed copy. That we have
238. Second spiral binding starts from page number 238.
No, he said that it is.
My matter, my lord. I know what is better than him, my lord. Page 238.
Then your first spiral binding is from 1 to 237.
No, my lord.
Then
First spiral binding is
no, সে বলছে না।
starts from page number 123
123, yes.
to
237. Eh?
yes.
Oh, that is first paper.
First.
Then
that is the first
he
spiral
wrong. Mr. Devbarman is wrong, you are saying?
Yes, ma'am.
No, Maharaj, this record
That is the first
number 1, number 2 is not mentioned. I am from the record.
But page 123 to 237 is the
From
first
index.
spiral.
Yes, ma'am.
And the second spiral is
238 to
238 to
358.
358. Very
No,
Yes. Yes, Mr. Devar.
Yes, my lord. Kindly comes to page 222.
Now, 222, we are seeing some paragraphs have been written.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is this? It begins from where?
Is a part of the affidavit,
220. You are showing page 222.
Two.
Paragraph.
paragraph 29.
So, where is paragraph 1 of this?
Paragraph, my lord, this is one affidavit. Kindly comes to page number 222, 220.
We are on 220.
220, serial number 6. I am pressing S. Basu Roy and Company, 2000 সালের
This compilation was filed by you.
The two spirals were filed by me. There is one and
So,
another.
these documents have not been, they did not use any affidavit to this.
No. That was supplied to them. It is not filed on affidavit. File documents were filed, not on affidavit.
Now, you have 222 you are showing.
222.
Yes, tell us.
I state that Messrs. Basu Roy and Company prepared additional panel list, though additional panel as per rule were never prepared anyways, and submitted the board on different dates. The additional panel list was sent through emails, as well as some of them were served upon the board physically. The date as follows. But kindly sees 6/4/17, 6/4/17, 8/4/17, 5/5/17, 5/6/17 to 21/9/2019. These additional panels were sent. They were included. How they are included, who are they, and how much vacancy are actually left, no one knows. Under which rule this was done, no one knows. Because Rule 86 says about preparation of the additional panel. Rule 86 says about preparation of the additional panel. But this is not as per Rule 86.
Why you are saying so?
Rule 86 clearly says that additional panel will be prepared in certain manner. Rule 86. Rule 86 says, my lord. Rule 86, page 116. An additional panel of 5% of general, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, OBC A, OBC B category, exempted category, ex-serviceman, physically handicapped candidates be prepared in the same manner as referred in Rule 85. I'm asking the question to myself, who are this person and how this panel was prepared. Next, my lord, one important page. Let me show first. Kindly comes to page 230. After this, these panels were prepared and probably they were also impaneled, but under which rule only board can answer, because I don't have any answer. As per rules, these were not made. Page number 230, my lord. Next, this is a report filed by the board. 230. From the bottom, second last paragraph.
Yes.
From the bottom, second last paragraph. Specific allegations were made. Specific allegations were made against some of the recruited.
Yes.
Specific allegations were made regarding some of the recruited candidates, and what board is saying, my lord, second last paragraph, with respect to 4 candidates, namely such and such, no records lying with the board regarding their appointment.
Yes.
Next, my lord, kindly comes to page 235.
Yes.
Time to time, different RTI applications were made before different DPSCs. An application copy of the application I have annexed with my notes on argument even. In 235, if you lordship finds, in Murshidabad district, allotted seat was 2822. Appointed 30,000, sorry, 3047. 2822 seats were there, 3047 appointed. Excess appointment 225. Nadia district, same, excess appointment 171. Hooghly district, excess appointment 83. Purbo Medinipur, excess appointment 53. Paschim Medinipur, excess appointment 386. Purulia, excess appointment 15. I could get answer of this RTI in this district. More than 600 or 700% have been appointed in excess. I'm asking the question to myself. At this stage, we do not know how much vacancies were there, how much vacancies are still left, how many persons were appointed, how they were appointed, in what manner they were appointed. My lord, let's just show one more page. It's in the second paper book, page 385, second paper book, volume 2. Paper book, volume 2.
Just.
Yes.
Mr. Debormon, do you have that copy, that 26 September advertisement? Somebody gave us a
Lordship,
bright copy.
Mr. Thorpe,
A bright copy, yes.
large copy.
Look, anybody of you has a copy of that?
বড় আছে দেখবেন, বড় বড় ভাঁজ করা আছে।
Yes, 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 it is there. আমার চেম্বার থেকে এসছে কেউ সাক্ষুষে নিয়ে রেখেছে। না না আনিও না, তাও সব ওখানে সব ওটা আছে, ঠিক আছে, এটা ফেরত দিয়ে দাও। একটা জিনিস শুধু দেখি
হ্যাঁ
as mentioned below. So, Mr. Tiwari, can you come back to the advertisement? That is at page 100 and 120 of the paper. Now, this 120, 26 na 2006.
But I am just making it easier. My kindly takes up, my lord, my notes on argument, my lord.
Now, why this is not matching with 120? Page 120 of the paper book. এটা তো 26/9/2016. No, this is not matching. Oh, acha. Second. Acha, you come to that, Mr. Tiwari. Please explain to us this hard line. Hard line
Third line of
the 26 September 2016 advertisement. Seeking appointment order in such and such to fill up 42,949 as mentioned below. Oh, now each district-wise vacancies were given.
these district-wise vacancies were there.
So then show us that this page 235 which you are referring to, Murshidabad.
Yes, my lord.
Show us what was the vacancy in Murshidabad. This is Murshidabad. Which medium? Which category?
Bengali, my lord.
Trained and non-trained para-teacher. Your RTI query was how many candidates have been appointed in Murshidabad, including all categories and all medium.
All medium.
Vide memo dated 24th September 2016. Where do you get this 24th September? It is maybe a typographical. It should be 26 September.
26 September. And Hooghly, my lord.
So in Murshidabad, in total, there were 282 seats. According to the notification, you have said that Murshidabad to kuch bhi hai? 29 na? এই যে মুর্শিদাবাদ বলছে মুর্শিদাবাদ total বলছে 28. You have checked it from this and made this?
Yes, my lord.
Eh?
Yes, my lord. I've in my notes on argument, I have annexed my RTI replies to
Yes.
RTI application
Yes.
and RTI replies.
Anything else, Mr. Tiwari?
Oh, one more thing.
Yes, we will go through your note. If any point is left out, you can tell us that, and your friends would be there, no?
One more thing, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, kindly he comes to the rule.
Rule.
Page 115.
It on India. Thank you.
Rules, my lord.
all the train presented so
You have shown 2822. Let us take Murshidabad 2822.
Yes, my lord.
So this 2822 is including para teacher.
Including everyone.
Including para teacher.
My lord.
So have you made any RTI query asking how many para teachers appointed?
Differently, no.
Eh?
Differently, no. By category wise, no. My application is there, my lord. Kindly.
Yeah. You have said RTI and also all teacher trained, untrained, para teacher, whatever is there.
My lord, one of my RTI I am showing you, my lord.
No, you don't have to show. That is okay. Now let us. You take us to what more you are saying.
Two things.
Rules.
Page 115. Kindly comes to page 115. About para teachers. Admittedly, para teachers, they are earmarked categories.
Huh?
para teachers falling under earmark categories, and how their numbers will be given.
Tell us, Mr. Tiwari, I just missed it. Earmarked and that earmark term appeared in Rule 7, no?
Yes, my lord.
Rule 8.
Rule 6, note 7, page 114. Page 114. Next, my lord, page 115, what I'm showing. Page 115.
So, in respect of assessment of untrained, it was 5 marks for Madhyamik, 10 for Ucho Madhyamik, 5 for
Trained. 10.
5 for extracurricular, 5 for interview, and 5 for, so 50 minus 15, that is 35. Assessment was on
35. But for the para teachers, there was no aptitude test. That is admitted fact. But my lord, this is also admitted. Kindly see the note 5 of page 115. How their numbers, how they will get the number for aptitude test. Teaching experience below 4 years, 1. Teaching experience from 4 years to below 6 years, 2. Experience from 6 years to 8 years, 3. 8 to 10, 4. Above 10, 5. My lord, in the list, more than 800 para teachers are there who got number in fractions for 2.33, 8.45, 4.60. I'm asking the question to myself, how a para teacher, as per this particular rule, can get marks in fraction.
So how that will be corruption?
Because they are not para teachers, my specific point. My specific point is they are not para teachers. If they were para teachers, they were given chance in the para teacher quota. If they were para teachers, there was no chance of giving them number in fractions. And giving number of fractions shows the attitude of the authority that they didn't apply their mind even. Without application of mind, marks were put just to give special privilege to a few and deprive others. My lord, during the hearing, board has given us our number before the single bench. It was argued before your lordship that honorable single bench recorded that 820.
No, Mr. Tiwari, it is one thing to say that appropriate marking was not given. This is one aspect, that you can get whole number 2468, but once one person is given 2.33, you will haul him up that this is an illegal appointment.
It cannot be. My rule cannot be changed as per anyone's own wish. My rule which is binding upon everyone.
Election process involving 1.25 lakhs of
Yes,
candidates.
Yes,
you are digging out data in respect of a particular candidate and saying that you see this is the disparity. So you must think that this person has paid money to get
My lord, I have given data.
That is the observation of the court.
I have given data of 20,000.
What is your answer to that?
I'm giving. Public recruitment for fraction of marks. At least thousands of students are there. For fraction of marks, they didn't qualify. For say 0.1, 0.1, 0.2.
Your petition is that you accommodate me, forget everything.
No, my lord. Kindly.
349 vacancy, you give me appointment, I will go home.
My lord, kindly. My marks was one paragraph I should say, because that was argued before your lordship. Just one paragraph, then I will rest my case. In paragraph number 7, my lord.
349. তুমি আমাকে দাও
page 613 my lord.
Just
volume 3 my lord.
Just
volume 3.
না কত Yes.
613, my lord. This point was argued by my
Page 6.
613, volume 3. In each and every step, my lord, the board misguided the petitioner as well as this honorable court. How I'm saying, my lord, kindly comes to page 613, paragraph number 7. But this was supplied to us by the board at the time of hearing of the matter before the honorable single bench. It discloses our numbers. It discloses our numbers, how much we have got. And my lord, page 6 is important.
Paragraph 7.
Paragraph 7. Paragraph 7 of the order. Court recorded from the breakup, the petitioner found and alleged that the particulars given therein are absolutely false, as because the lowest number of empaneled candidates was shown in the report as 14.191, though it will be 13 point something, ultimately it was changed. Whereas throughout West Bengal, 824 candidates who scored below 13 were appointed, and the petitioner prepared a tabular sheet to that effect and disclosed it as annexure to their exception. In our exception, this annexure was there. In this breakup, which they have given to us, it does not match with the breakup they have uploaded in terms of the order passed by the honorable court, which I showed in Can 9. This does not match at all. Absolutely fake data provided us to deprive us. Kindly comes to page 6 of the document I have handed over.
This is annexure B to your exception.
Page number 6. This is the breakup number regarding each and every district. This should have been the breakup number for each and every district. The board did not give us breakup number each and every district. From serial number 3 they have given, and from there it can be found that kindly sees above second portion, Bengali, Tomalika Kundu, unreserved, score is 13.796. Has the lordship got it? This is the lowest marks.
Paragraph 7. Page 613.
I am describing the basis of paragraph 7 of the judgment.
Yes.
From this document, this 2 pages document, it can be easily understood that throughout West Bengal, no one has been appointed who scored less than 7.796. Because in each district, as per the data given by the board, the score is higher. The lowest score is 13.796. As per the document submitted before the court by the board, 13.796 is the lowest marks. If it is so, my lord, this document I have given.
Board's document.
Yes, my lord. The board has given us. With the letter is appearing in the first page. First page, kindly see the first page.
So this is of which district?
3 Coachbihar most probably. 9 ta 3 Coachbihar. They do. 9 ta na 9 ta.
Now, why 13.96 is pertaining to Bengali in the district code 4?
Yes, madam.
Then why you're saying all over West Bengal?
Why? Kindly see the numbers. Kindly see the numbers. For 3, it's 16.607. For 4, it is 17.796.
It's 13.796.
Yes, 13.796. For 5, it is 20.179.
So what you're trying to say?
I'm trying to say, if this is true, then in West Bengal, not a single person in any district has been appointed who scored below this mark. Because as per board, this is the lowest mark scored by an individual who appointed in any district.
Where do we get that?
Why, my lord? I'm describing it. For example, 3. Code 3.
Where is the description that you are coming to an analogy? Where is
But kindly see the first page. See the
yes, show us.
First page, forwarding the list of 139 petitioner and candidates along with the breakup of total score sheet, such and such, with breakup of score of last empaneled candidate in their respective medium category and district who participated.
Breakup of total score of TET.
Yes, man. This is not TET, man. The recruitment process. They have made a mistake, but this is recruitment process. See, man, their TET number is given. Kindly comes to page 6.
Then in subject, it is given forwarding list of 139 along with the breakup of total score of TET.
They have made a mistake. This is for recruitment process. This is for recruitment. Why I am proving, my lord. Kindly comes to page 6. Page 6, my lord. From the in the top word, opted district, medium, last temple.
Yes, opted, yes.
The opted. Candidate name, candidate category.
Breakup of last candidate.
Last empaneled candidate.
No, we don't understand. First of all, you are saying this is recruitment. Very good. This Tapos Suchodar, who was a general, got 16.607.
Yes, my lord.
Then what you are trying to say that this is contrary to what the board has placed.
It's contrary to what actual. It is contrary to the actual cutoff published by the board.
This is not a cutoff. This is the marks obtained by the
last
candidate.
person.
Huh?
This is the marks of the last person.
Last person.
Last empaneled candidate, my lord, from the first page, from the top, it is written the list of breakup of total score of the last empaneled candidate. The list of breakup of total score of the last empaneled candidate. In the top, it is written, my lord.
So show us that in district code 3,
yes, ma'am,
in medium Bengali, unreserved OBC B, para teacher category. What is this? Empanel category, empanel caste, state score, madhyamik, HS. Show us that in district 3,
page 16.
any person below 16.607.
Yes, my lord. Yes, yes. Page, in that case, your lordship has to take the can 9 again.
Yes. Page
can 9, my lord. Can 9, I have given explanation in page 62. District code 3.
62. It is district code 3.
This Coach BR.
Yes, yes.
Last empaneled category is actually 11.041. This data was given to us.
Just a moment.
Exempted seats were converted and they were appointed in the general candidate was appointed.
Eleven point 041 pay at the look appointment.
Yeah.
62 is the document you have made
From the document of the board. From the document of the board. From the document annex starting from page 36.
Show us from the document. এটা থেকেও মালদা করেছে
প্রত্যেকটা ডিস্ট্রিক্টেরই
আচ্ছা very good, we for the time being we accept your contention. Now let us see what they will say.
Madam, start. And one more thing, one document I need to submit, which was before the single bench. That is the list of the 824.
এইটাতে না এইগুলো আবার ভুলে যাবে, এইটা আলাদা রাখবো।
List of the 824 candidates. List of the 824 candidates who belong.
জ্যোতিতে শেষ হয়ে যাবে দিয়েছে।
I will not start with the affidavit of Lord Manik Bhattacharya, the president of the board. So, then president of the board, your lordship, Lord, kindly transfer, Lord, page, Lord, evidence of Lord Manik Bhattacharya, page 437. That is, Lord, volume 2 of the paper book.
437.
Page
Page, my lord, 437.
page 430.
Now, if your lordship, my lord, kindly take, my lord, this is a part of the order dated 5th of April 2023. Passed by the, my lord, on a single judge.
It is a part of the order.
Yes.
Why you're saying affidavit of money?
No, sorry, my lord. Evidence of
Yes.
437, my lord. May I just place it? Learned advocate for the petitioner has concluded his argument. The hearing is not complete. The respondent board will make its submissions in respect of the argument made today by the petitioner. Thereafter, the petitioner will be given an opportunity to reply to the submissions to be made by the board. Pursuant to my direction, Mr. Manik Bhattacharya, erstwhile president of the board, was produced before this court by the Superintendent of Police, Presidency Correctional Home. Now, my lord, kindly see, my lord, the questions were put by the court to Mr. Manik Bhattacharya. First, the court. I am asking some questions to the erstwhile president of the West Bengal Board of Primary Education, exercising my power under section 165 of the Evidence Act. Mr. Bhattacharya, any committee was constituted for the 2016 recruitment process? Answer is yes. The selection committee was constituted by the board. Next, who published the result and who prepared the result of 2016 recruitment process? The deponent first said that he does not understand the question. Then he said that it is the compartmentalized and made some statement as compartmentalized. Next, whether any outside agency was engaged.
First said that he does not understand the question.
Yes.
Then he said it is compartmentalized and made some statements as to the what is compartmentalized.
Compartmentalization, but in part.
This is the observation of the judge.
Now, the next question, can you see whether any outside agency was engaged to prepare the result?
Compartmentalization.
Whether any outside agency was engaged to prepare the result of 2016 recruitment process. Now, answer is the board has acted in accordance with Rule 4.5 Clause C of the West Bengal Primary Teachers Recruitment Rules. Now, Lord, kindly take the rules one second.
Page 102.
Lord, kindly take this page 102. Lord, this is not amended.
We will not take your document. We will go out.
Lord, amendment portion your lordship would not get it. The lordship, can you take this one?
So what will not get?
Huh?
What will? That is page 102.
Amendment portion your lordship will not get it. Amended portion your lordship can this
that one has been amended. That's
yes,
yours.
I have given a copy of combined rules for both of your lordships.
No, we have been very
given. Combined, this is from the book, so it is combined with the amendment of 25 September.
We maybe we. That is which one? The bundle of papers where Anindo Mitra.
Mr. Bishas also has given a spiral name written over there.
Yes, yes, it is.
No, no, amendment and rules both are there.
Very good.
Take this one. I have.
We will find it out. আচ্ছা 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 দাও দিয়ে দাও দিয়ে দাও So this is amendment of rule.
Milord, your lordship, milord, kindly takes milord rule 7.
No, no. 7.
Rule 7.
Amendment.
Rule 7, milord, there is a selection committee. An amendment made, milord, on milord 23rd of September.
Yes, that he has shown us.
Yes.
That is, it has gone to the hand of the board.
Yes.
Yeah, that he has shown.
No, outside agency. I am just pointing out what is the role of the outside agency.
Outside agency in page 102, rule 4.
Yes, rule 4. It says the board may.
5C.
Yes. It says, milord, the board may, if necessary, constitute one or more.
No, no. Engage any specialized agency for the purpose.
For the purpose. Now, milord, these engagement, milord, there is a categorically finding of the learned single judge that these engagement by to oversee the entire selection process. This is the absolute illegal. This cannot be done.
Rule has not been challenged, Mr.
Rule has not been challenged. Milord, kindly consider one thing. Milord, today, milord, kindly consider one thing. Milord, in a service jurisprudence, milord.
No, you are unsuccessful candidates in the recruitment process. A substantial argument is on that an issue. Irrespective of that, we are assessing your arguments. If Mr. Tiwari, you say that, see that this rule is not proper.
No, I am not saying
go to that extent.
No, I am not saying so. Kindly see how the learned judge recorded the evidence of the president. Now, what president is saying. President, kindly support page 439 once. Kindly turn to page 439 once.
Yes. Yes.
Question number 4. The question is.
No, he said question number 3 was whether any outside agency was engaged.
Engaged.
He said board has acted in terms of rule
4.5 clause C of the West Bengal.
That is what we have.
Yes. Now, next question number 4. The question is, was any specialized agency engaged? Answer is yes. Now, next. What was the name of the agency? Answer is I have to go through. I cannot remember. Now, have you ever heard the name of P. Basu and Company? Maybe, I am not sure. I have to go through the record.
Now, is this P. Basu and Company the person who was
appointed?
But where do you get this
Yes, Basu.
Very good.
So, milord, the entire selection process
was conducted by a private person consisting
of public employment. Milord, private person has been inducted, and entire selection process was given to a private person.
So, very good. Now, then what is your argument on this interpretation of this clause? Engage any specialized agency for the purpose. What I am to understand?
Well, my argument is this, milord. It
has to be by government personnel.
Yeah, absolutely, milord.
Where do we
milord, this is a public employment. But kindly consider one thing. Milord, this is a public employment.
No, in the rules is there, Mr. Tiwari, is there anything as regards what is a specialized?
Your lordship, milord, kindly consider today one thing. Milord, government here. The milord state is conducting the recruitment process. The state is the person, milord, person holding the post, milord, must act in a fair legal manner. What state has done, milord, it is a corruption sponsored by the state. If I may say so, milord, with great respect. Milord, had milord there been a milord free fair milord selection procedure, there would not have been any question of appointing a third party. Milord, this is basically a corruption, milord, sponsored by the state. Now, milord, if your lordship, milord, kindly, I'll just show to your lordship.
Yes.
Now, milord, if your lordship, milord, kindly takes, milord, affidavit affirmed by the milord president in connection with the read petition, milord, before the learned single judge. Now, milord, it starts at page, milord, 363, the volume 2. Volume 2.
Three. মতো করলে কোর্ট ফিরে আসবে। For another day.
But after me, Milord, most probably Mr. Majumdar will make argument.
Mr.
Somo Majumdar. And Milord, Mr. Vikas Ranjan Bhattacharya also.
Hello, Mr. Majumdar requested,
In 16 senior advocates. Milord, kindly bear for us.
We have not uttered a single thing. We have not uttered.
Equal. Well, Mr. Sanal is saying equality should be met.
Pardon?
Mr. Sanal is saying equality should be met. Article 14 is saying.
আমরা তো লেট পাবো।
তোমরা কত বলবে আর?
You are
I will take another.
You are still listening to his advice.
Still not. No.
We have Mr. Kumar Torunjoti and it appearing. What you are saying?
In this matter, Priyanka Notkar, we are appearing that Mr. Somo Majumdar is our leader. He requested to make a submission before the lordship that after Mr. Bhattacharya, my lord, he will make a submission, my lord.
But he is not saying so. He is present before us. He is not.
No. Not the senior advocate, Mr. Vikas Ranjan Bhattacharya. After.
You are sitting at home and you are saying your senior has said.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry.
The planet will be appearing for the. But 2 p.m.
My lord, I have a mentioning, my lord,
In September 2.
in this matter.
In this.
In this matter.
What?
But item number, can number 69, that canvasses the cause of PH candidates. If Milord,
Which candidates of?
physically handicapped candidates. Same as appellants.
Same as appellants.
Appellants. If next day 5 minutes, I shall take. 5 minutes, Milord.
For what? We are hearing you just now. You will adopt their submission, na? Adopt their submissions, na?
Adopt.
All right, come on.
Adopt.
No.
Private. Soft copy supply was date involvement.
This one.
From your side also.
All placed from the.
Can 9. Soft copy supplied. Can 9 was not supplied.
9 you have not got.
No. The additional
Supplied, my lord. Soft copy supplied.
Now we will again go and search the website whether you have sent or not.
I will again send.
additional
একটু গুছিয়ে দিও তাহলে